Solo got placed into CNC status on March 27th. Wants to know if that stops IRS collections and property seizures. And thankfully, the answer to that question is yes. That is what CNC is. Currently not collectible status, i.e. the IRS cannot currently collect from you forcibly by taking forced collection activity against you, levying you, seizing your assets, things like that. So it's a pretty easy question, Solo. The question at the end of your comment can be a little more complicated. You want to know if it covers all your tax years. It looks like you owe for 2014 and 2015, which you filed jointly with your ex-spouse. If you got in CNC and the letter's just addressed to you, then it's possible that your account has been that joint account, that joint liability. That's still a joint liability, but they can mirror it or split it into two different collections cases, one for you and one for your ex-spouse, okay? If that's the case, then just because you're in CNC has no bearing on whether your ex-spouse is in CNC. If you're not sure, the question I would ask is, when you were providing the IRS with your financial information to prove that you qualify for CNC, did you just give your information, or are you giving information regarding yourself and your ex-spouse as though you were still in the same household? If you just gave your information, then I'm guessing, and again, I wouldn't know without actually seeing your IRS records, but I would suppose that the CNC has only been extended to you and not to your ex-spouse, right? So you would be protected from IRS levy action, seizure, collection activity, etc. But unless your ex-spouse got their own resolution with the IRS, they wouldn't necessarily be protected just because you are, okay? So that's called splitting or mirroring the joint liability, okay? We see it a lot. Sometimes we even request it on behalf of our clients, typically when we're dealing with someone who's now divorced from someone, or who is in the process of divorcing from someone with whom they share a joint tax liability from when they were married. So it's not uncommon, happens a lot, but good question, Solo. Thank you so much for asking. We help people in these situations all the time. We help people who are, in the process of getting divorced or who are divorced, and it adds a little layer of complexity to the IRS collections case, and you got to think through all those ramifications. But whether you're divorced or not, whether you're married or not, if you owe the IRS or your state at least $10,000 in back taxes, hey, give us a call here at Choice Tax Relief. You qualify for a free consultation. Our number is 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on our website, and we will reach out to you. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.